Hey Narsa, this is Nick with Generational Leads. I know you spoke with Viola the other day on the phone about her sending you over a quick video of your website, and this is it. So let's dive in. We're going to talk about three important things. We're going to talk about keywords, backlinks, and citations, okay? So if we kind of scroll through your website here, clean site. Oh, sorry about that. Clean site. Got some content on here and stuff. However, there's just not enough content, okay? And what I mean by that is Google wants to see about 1,500 words to 2,000 words on the home page alone. And when they see that, what they do with their algorithm is they come through and they crawl your whole entire website, and they read everything you're about, and that's kind of how they dictate and how they rank you, okay? Now, on the back pages, so we need some service pages in here to kind of explain to people, everything that you have to offer. Okay, I know you do floors, but there's different types of flooring, right? You might do hardwood floors, vinyl floors, and stuff like that. But the thing is, you want to make sure on those back pages you're explaining more in depth about those. So if we hop over here to your main competitor, this is a back page of his. So if you see in his menu up here, there's homepage, services, and all the different services he provides. Then he has some different stuff here as well. But these service pages are important because on these service pages, he has another page. And this is an actual service page of Marietta. Okay, and this is the ranking page on the Google search. So I'll show you that in a second. So if we dive over here in a tool that I use, this is called Ahrefs. Basically, this is a tool that I use. It's analytics to kind of show everything the competitor's doing to where you can do it too. So if we dive into these keywords that he's ranking for, as you can see, hardwood floor refinishing Marietta, hardwood floor installation Marietta, hardwood flooring Marietta, right? All these different keywords, people are searching because they're looking for that service, right? They're looking for a company to go with because they don't know who to go with. That's why they're searching for this. Otherwise, they just type in a name of a company and go with them. But this one keyword alone, there's 300 people searching that every single month. This one keyword alone, there's 250 people searching that every single month. And these guys are in position 4 behind some directories and stuff like that with 30 people every single month, 25 people every single month, 23. And these add up. They stack up like Legos. And the way you build these Legos are important, okay? You got to make sure you implement them into your website efficiently to work for you. And that's the big thing, right? So that's kind of how the keywords work. And then once you have the keywords on your website, how do you get them found? Okay, so how you get them found is essentially through backlinks and referring domains. Now, the thing about this is his back page. This isn't even his home page at all. This is just a little piece of his website that's ranking high in Google. And here's why. The referring domains and backlinks, okay? This is a popularity contest saying how many different websites can I get to link to my website? And the more you get, the more popular you are. The more popular you are, the more credibility and authority you get in Google's eyes, and the higher you rank. Now, the caveat is it's not just about let's get these numbers as high as possible. You got to make sure you're picking and choosing which ones you're getting because of quality. If you just throw your numbers out there, then Google's going to see that as spammy, and it's going to work against you. So you got to stay in your niche, relevant to what you do in your industry, and make sure the referring domains and backlinks have power from themselves to provide to you as well. Okay, I know that's a lot of information, but one thing you could do is literally just go in here to your competitor and get exactly what they have, okay? When you do this, what happens is you go through and find all the ones that have relevancy to you, and then you can go copycat and go get your own backlink and your own referring domain from them, but then don't stop there, right? You want to keep going to outdo your competitor and dominate the industry. So that being said, these guys are bringing in 120 people every single month just from this page alone. Okay, this is a back page, remember that, not his home page or his main website. This is a back page of his website. So if we hop over to your stats, we got a little bit of work to do. This is our home page too. This is our home page, right? So we got to build out a few more things and bump up some referring domains and target some more keywords here. Okay, so we got to, the way we target these is with backlinks and referring domains towards this, and we got to make sure we get some more keywords in here that I showed you on his website to target those volumes. So the last thing I want to talk about real quick is if we hop over here, kind of give you an idea. If we type in this hardwood flooring Marietta GA or Georgia, this is how Google lays it out, right? So we have our ads, then we have our GMB or Google Map Pack. This is where citations live. This is where your number one competitor is, and then here's your number one competitor here, right? So The way you're going to be in these top 3 here is if you're going to be in the first page organically down here. But what a citation is it's a listing of your business name, number, and address that's on a directory such as Facebook, Bing, Yahoo, BBB, etc. And what that does is it builds trust with Google. And when you have your keywords, your backlinks, and your trust with Google, then you're just going to start skyrocketing with your SEO and ranking. So I know that was a lot of information. Feel free to reach out to Viola. She'd love to help you out, and we'll go from there. Thanks for listening.